I was busy thinking about boys.
Hello, I'm Adelia Novidamayanti. I am the student of University Wiranegara, and now I will tell you a story about the Frog Prince, but using a puppet. I will explain what is puppet. A puppet is a doll that you can move, either by pulling string which are attached to it or by putting your hand inside of the doll and moving your kind of puppet. The first is finger puppet, and the second is sock puppet, and then hand puppet, and marionette or string puppet. But in this story, I use a stick puppet like this, and I will show you and I will introduce you what is the main character of my story. Check this out. The first is king. Ha ha ha, I am the king. The second is prince. Hello dad, I am your son. Next is poor girl. King, do you want to play with me? And the last is orange. Prince, I want to be your friend. There are main character of my story. Okay, let's move to the story.
Once upon a time, there lived a handsome prince in the kingdom of a very humble king. The prince was so arrogant that he turned out to be a little proud of the fact that he is the prince. Many a times the king asked him to be more humble to everyone, because that's the way a prince should be. I know, my little prince, that you are my pampered child, but you should be a little more empathic towards other people. Everybody is same. It's just that some unfortunately some are not. But the prince just ignored what his father had to say and went out to play with the golden ball that his father had given him on his birthday. Unfortunately, his ball bounced and went somewhere suddenly. A ugly and poor girl came to him while carrying his ball. "This is your ball, my lord. Can I play with you?" The prince turned and said, "How dare you? Who are you? You are just an ugly duckling. I don't want to play with you. Look at your bad clothes. You are so poor. Get out from here." The poor kid crying and said, "Someday you will feel what I felt. You will wear a bad clothes and no one want to be your friends." "What are you saying? You don't know who I am? I am a prince in this country. Everyone wants to play with me. Give my ball back." Ah! When the prince wants to go, his body can't move. The prince crying, "What are you doing to me?" The poor girl said, "Find someone who wants to be your friends without look at your face or your wealth." The poor kid gone suddenly. It is impossible if he is back to the kingdom. His dad will kill him because his dad thought that he is a monster. The prince decided went to forest. The prince crying a long day. He is hungry, no food, also no friends. He is scared because no one in the forest until he met a chick. Hey chick, want you to share your food with me? The chick, while eating a food, answered, nom 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 nom. No! How dare you? How dare you? I am your prince. Ha ha ha! Are you kidding me? Get out! The prince get nothing. He continued to walk and met wolf also pig there. Hey wolf! Hey pig! Can I join with you? I am a prince. I have a golden ball. Are you kidding me? How can be an ugly frog become a prince? Just ignore this crazy frog. He is liar. Where are you, golden ball? Okay. I will show you if you allow me to join and give me a little bit of your food. Deal? No! Get out! Again and again. Prince get a rejection. Oh my god! The frog can't see anything. And the frog can't remember anything. He is full. In a beautiful sunny day, with a beautiful girl with a orange veil bring a wood. Yeah, she is a firewood girl. She is hear something crying. Oh my god, you can speak? She asked the frog prince. Give me a little food, please. The name of this girl is Orange. Orange takes some pie in her pocket and give it to Frog. Sorry, what's your name? I am Louis. I am the prince in this country. Then, what are you doing here, prince? Why are you become a frog? The prince frog shocked. Orange believed that he is a prince. He is starting crying. Hicks, hicks, hicks. This is my fault. Someone who makes me become like this. I don't have a friends anymore. What are you saying? Don't be sad, prince. I can be your friends. Are you sure? The frog smiled and hugged Orange. Amazingly, the frog back to his real body. Prince Louis. Now we can be our best friend forever. At the end, both of them happily ever after. Thank
from
you.
this story we can learn that as a human we should help each other, love each other. So as a human we don't be a picky person. That means we just make a friend with a person who handsome or pretty. Because like King said that we are same, just fortunate and some not fortunate who makes we are different. Okay friends, thank you for watching my story.